In this video, I'm going to explain how we can develop this nice, beautiful, dynamic pump chart. With this chart, you can analyze your pump related data dynamically. For example, these are my data sheet, sell price, distributor price, cost to produce, freight, duty, and marketing. For example, if I change my freight, let's say $500, this chart will automatically update and all of the category will adjust their self accordingly. For example, the sell to produce cost is $4,000, so you can visualize easily all of the related cost. No further ado, let's develop this chart step by step quickly. In order to develop this chart, first we need to copy paste all of the data sheet, insert a new worksheet and copy paste all of the data sheet. The next thing, we need to insert a new blank column in between. This column will be called the same as detail, but we need to apply the formula, and this is useful for dynamic legend. So first we need to select the price, and if you want any of the price, for example, I want the dollar amount, so I will click $0, which is a whole number format, and close the quotation mark, close the bracket, and percent quotation mark with a single space and percent again, and select the A to Z, hit enter. Now we just need to drag this formula down, and this is our new column for the chart. We need to select all of this data sheet, go to insert recommended chart. On a recommended chart, we select all chart, and on all chart, select the stack column chart, select the second design, hit OK. The first thing, we need to remove all of the chart title, price, grid line, and this vertical x-axis. But the only thing I want to show you, consider this height. Now this is the total height. We want the height to keep constant irrespective of the value. For example, if I change this value to 1000, you can see the height has been, the overall height is changing. If even I just change, let's say this is 10,000, overall height is changing, and we don't want the overall height to be changed because we want to fix this chart on an image layout. So what we need to do, we just need to select this vertical x-axis, right click, format x-axis, and for the major unit we will type 1, and for the minor unit we will also type 1, hit OK. And now we just need to remove the vertical x-axis, and of course we don't want this one, and this is a grid line, so we don't want a grid line, we don't want the chart title. We will click format, shape fill to no fill, shape outline to no outline, and now we are ready. Now if I even change this to, let's say, 1000, the overall height will be the same, but the category price will be, now if I change the price, let's say 1000, the overall height will be the same. The next thing, we need to insert our pump image. So place over the cell this device, select your pump image, insert, and this image is transparent from the inner area while fill on the outer area. We just need to adjust this image on a chart. But first we need to increase the size of the chart so that the legend are outside the image. So for this, first we need to increase the size. Of course, we just need to reduce the size of pump a little bit. We just need to drag the chart, and now we just need to click the inner area of the chart, and we need to decrease the chart so that legend are shown on the very bottom. And we need to move the image over the chart. Keep in mind, this is the inner area. We just need to move the chart so that the lower bottom touch the inner area. So what we need to do, I think if we just increase the size of chart a little bit, and let's just sit on the upper area. Let me just decrease a little bit. Now we need to click on the format. Select the chart first, click on the format. We need to reduce the height of the chart. Whenever you see the white, we just need to increase or decrease so the lower area touch the very bottom of the image. Now we are good to go. If I just want to change the price, let's say 500, this will automatically show, let's say, this price to 3000. So this is how we can develop this chart. The next thing, we need to format a little bit. So I will increase the size of the legend. And of course, we need to hide the grid line as well. Now, if you want, you can insert the title, and also you can insert the shape. So for example, we want this rectangular shape with a round corner. And shape fill, in this case, no fill. Shape outline to, let's say, choose this color. And this is how we can create this pump chart using Microsoft Excel. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel for more video. Thank you so much.